Today I'm taking care of a 2021 Nissan Frontier by performing a one-step polish and applying a 3-year ceramic coating. The truck isn't all that dirty because the owner does take great care of it himself, but it could use some love to really bring out the shine and get some protection on it. I'm going to keep the talking rather light in this video. I just really wanted to play around with the camera for this truck. You'll notice that there's plenty of areas that I just did not record, so you're just going to have to forgive me. I love working on vehicles for people who genuinely care about their cars. It makes the entire process enjoyable because they appreciate the attention to detail and understand the value of proper care. This customer has already done a great job maintaining his truck, so my goal is to build onto that foundation and provide great protection. One of the areas that I did not do a ton of recording was the clay process. I'm using a clay mitt by Armour Detail Supply here. Another thing I did not actually show is any of the iron removal, anything on the rear of the truck or the roof. One thing to note here is that I am not doing a full paint correction by any stretch. I'm just doing a surface level polish to set the foundation for the coating. Every vehicle is different, and it's good to do some test spots to determine which pad and polish combo to use so that you can achieve both good cut and, more importantly, great finish. you can't tell, I love Armour Detail Supply, and I'll be using their quartz coating on this Frontier. I'll have links in the description to everything I use from them. If you do decide to use those links, you will get a discount and I will get in-store credit, so it would help us both out. Before I get to these last couple of after shots, please do me a favor and leave a comment to let me know what you thought of the video and if it's worth it for me to keep trying to make these types of videos. Let me know what else you'd like to see too. I took about 3 years off of YouTube because I just did not enjoy it, but I'd really like to try it again with your help.